talk like, move like juice. Walking like it, talking like it, moving like it, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like it, drinking like a, bumping out the roof. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like it, talking like it, moving like it, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out the, hopping out the roof. Evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about to wild, I don't really need a reason.
Man, what's good, YouTube, man? As y'all can see, we locked and loaded. Got the Banshee back there. I'm trying to catch my first race of the season, man. It's been a lot to get to this point. It's been a lot of me loading up, getting caught in the storm, not being able to go over here and get this race, or my friend KC, he been extremely busy, and our schedules just don't never align because I'm always busy. He's busy with his job, you know, family, and he play a lot of softball, man, a lot of sports. So he's always all over the place. And long story short, man, hopefully I'm gonna have some action for y'all. If it ain't nothing but just a couple passes, but man, y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna try to get us a dub today. I'm always optimistic about a win. I don't care about the losses. I'm gonna keep on going until I get a win. If we was to say currently how many losses he done dished out to me over the years, it's several. I don't want to put a number on it, but I like to say he got 100 wins on me. That sounds like a big number. We probably done lined up, I don't know how many times, but we done lined up on everything I ever owned, except for the 450. That's the only thing I haven't lined up with. And he got different toys. He got a Repsol 1000 I would love to get on the straightaway with this Banshee, and we just see where it line up at. Even though I know if I can't fade that 700, there's no way I'll be able to take that 1000. But I'm stuck in traffic right now. Fort Worth traffic is terrible. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned.
Plus it was anemic, I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, was luxury, you seen them. Got me looking like a model body, fun as my demeanor. Here at the location and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm just trying to get the beamer. Trying to get the bag of women popping out the show. And I only act that woman putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pay me like I'm Kirkle, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, ex Mario, you know. Sneaking in the building and I'm coming out the window. Got no baby mama, but I hit a couple widows. Love me when I'm down, but it's hit when I get sendo. Only in the back because I'm black and got the stilo.
Yeah, man. This is where we at. Yes, sir. First race of the season. I'm gonna go ahead and let you pop your shit for my people on YouTube, bro. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, I'm finna dust your ass. No mercy. No mercy whatsoever.
My lady already told me if I don't get a win, don't come home.
Well, you might have to go ahead and put you a bed back there, go to Walmart, get you a little blanket, put a little tent.
I'm finna be sleeping with this goddamn four-wheeler if I don't get a win.
Not today. You finna get your ass dusted.
All right, man, so I'm finna go ahead. Time is rounded down. I'm gonna go ahead and cut on my fuel, choke, on switch, run. We're gonna give it a couple kicks and see what we got, man.
Why he do it to himself, but he finna get his ass dusted off.
Come on, baby, don't fail me now. Come on, baby, don't fail me now.
Go through here. I'm finna dust his ass. Yeah, we're gonna go right. You know, over there by break. Where he'll say this over. He gonna do it on the YouTube. Alright? Come on, get the kicking.
This that old school shit. Don't remember about this. This electric start.
He just drop that on us off. Come on. You better pull the choke out.
Pull the choke out, make sure the fuel run.
Yeah. I don't think she want to crank up. She look scared.
It's fine. I need to look, honestly.
I don't want her no excuses. Oh, there. She was about to. Something wrong with his kicker.
Man. Back, baby. We back.
I'm gonna dust his ass. No mercy.
Y'all hear that?
Done. And Sam Martin's gonna get on that ass.
I was gonna say, yours not running, is it?
I need you on this side so everybody can see you behind me.
Ready, set, go!
My shit was about to go in reverse.
Wah, wah.
Oh no. No.
Wait, no, 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 no. All right, ready, set, go!
See, if she would have said go, that was an easy dub for me.
Ready, set, go! Oh. Ready, set, go! Here they go, Blaze and uppercut Ashy Black Man KC. Oh, that wasn't even